Assemble, move, and coat. Those are AirPower's 3 competencies. My name is Chris Nelson. I am a material handling specialist for AirPower Incorporated. Basically, I live in the world of cranes, hoists, lift tables, conveyor, anything that moves product. Not only do we sell the product, we want to keep it running for the customer as well. So we repair a lot of pneumatic devices, breakers, tampers, drills. We repair hoists. The Gorbel products that we have kind of help aid our mechanics in repairs. A lot of the items pretty heavy. We're always trying to preserve our, the physical aspects of our team. So we have these cranes to help lift these parts as they get bigger and bigger. We also utilize some of these products like the G-Force and Easy Arm as demonstrations. Some of these products we can't just toss into a vehicle and take it to a customer. So we bring the customer to our facility.
We have a Gorbel workstation crane. It's 4-post systems, got 3 bridges. It was brought in as a demo. 2 of the bridges are electrified. One is air operated for an air hoist. So we have every demo that you need for a crane. But now we can't do without it. We utilize it every day. I mean, we pick heavy things up, put onto our test stand for hoist certifications. We have individual jibs at each of our benches. We do pneumatic tools, which is 150, 200 pounds. We lift them up to where we can get them to the work. We hold stuff off of them. If we're putting stuff together, we're not hunched over, bent over, bring it up to working conditions.